You're not sad?
No. Mom, you need to turn the lights on.
I wasn't sure if this was going to be a real video or not. Your sister asked me just to have a video snack of your watermelon.
Mom,
Do you want me to
turn the lights on.
Okay. All of them?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. How's that? Yeah.
Don't forget now.
That's nice too. How's that? So, what are we going to do for this video?
Watermelon.
Watermelon?
Bum, 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 bum.
What did we do last night?
Good night.
Did we go to the fireworks?
Yeah.
Here, do you want to wipe your nose?
It.
I think you have something on your nose. Right here on your nose.
No, it's the watermelon lid.
No, I think it's dirt from something. Keep wiping your nose. I don't know what it is. There we go. You got it. You see it though? Thanks, kid. Do you remember what we did last night? We stayed up so late.
Yeah.
What did we stay up to do? What did we see last night?
I don't know.
The fireworks?
Yeah. And there were two boomies.
They were little
And
boobies?
he said, oh, here. And I said, I'm okay now.
Oh yeah, you put your earphones on?
And then,
Noise canceling headphones?
wow. Like that. Why is it going like that?
Yep. Where's it going? What colors did you say?
Pink.
A lot of pink.
Mom, this one's too slimy. This one's
I think
too
they're just
slimy. Maybe let's warm this one
What did you eat yesterday?
up.
Do you remember? Did Dada get you watermelon water ice?
I didn't get chocolate and big milk. But I just wanted juice.
Oh, do you want your juice now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You want to tell the camera what else you did yesterday? Like, maybe were you dancing? Or...
I was playing the pretend guitar.
Mm-hmm. You were playing pretend guitar. Did somebody get toothless?
Yeah. I did.
You got another toothless?
And I got Spider.
You got silver Spider-Man?
Yeah. Silver Spider-Man. And I got toothless.
Oh.
Another toothless.
Another tooth. Do you love toothless?
They have all of the toothlesses.
They have all the toothlesses?
I think the toothlesses are sisters like we are sisters. Hey.
Maybe.
Hey, those are his brothers and sisters. Brothers and sisters.
Hey, I have a question for you. Do you ladies know that you look a lot alike? And
Yeah.
that you have the same DNA?
Yeah.
And that
Mom,
you're twins?
here's some little ice powers.
Oh, thank you.
Not butter.
Do you know that's different than Mama?
Uh-huh.
Mama doesn't have a twin sister. Did you know that?
I didn't know that.
Yeah. Do I have somebody that looks like me?
Yeah.
Who?
You.
Just me. This one's yours, Daddy. But do you have somebody that looks like you?
He doesn't drink.
It doesn't drink.
He just has a pretty cleanup.
Is it drinking now?
Just a little bit.
Guinevere.
Oh, see, start seeing scratches. I still see.
Oh, yeah, you still see her scratches on her chin.
The napkin broke.
The nap didn't work. I think they're getting better. Oh, she did. And Anna's like, can we do a video? I'm like, I guess so. Day
I changed my mind to eat the watermelon.
Morning after fireworks.
And then I think those two sisters are sisters and brothers.
They sure are. You tell everybody what time you stayed up till last night?
Nothing.
Nothing.
10 o'clock.
Ow!
You tell everybody what time you slept till?
Nope.
That's a secret.
Like 8 o'clock. I don't know what time they finally came down with clothes.
Wait a minute. It's not juice.
It is juice.
Where is it?
It's juice.
Where is it in there?
It's juice in there.
Huh. But where
Were you expecting milk?
Uh-huh.
Because your last toothless was milk, huh? Yeah, that one's a juice.
Yeah, they didn't have any little kid milk. Tried to tell you.
And guys, I want big milk. Big chocolate milk.
Oh, well, how about maybe we'll go to the store and we'll see if they have any more. But I think you got the last one.
I'm about to take another run. I didn't gonna get the CUR in.
Oh,
He
okay.
has a huge pile of sweet CUR
Oh, spoiler.
in. Right? And we
Oh,
have
we can do
those today.
steaks and corn.
So that's why I was like, I'll just go right back up.
I said the word and they didn't even notice it.
Mom,
Are you
maybe
gonna hit
let's
up
wait
$1
until
for
this
a
gets
hummingbird?
warm and not cold.
Wait, what?
Let's wait until
You
this
wait until it's
doesn't
warm and
get
not cold. Okay.
Rip.
Sure, no problem. Would you also like a peanut butter bar?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Mom, you know, the peanut looks like an footprint shoe.
The peanut does look like a footprint shoe.
It says,
Confuse it with Shada's.
Mom, I see a shoe on it.
You see the shoe? Should I show the camera the shoe? Camera?
There's a
camera?
shoe
What's
on it.
the
Mom, I
shoe
found a pretend clue behind you.
There's a pretend clue
Behind you.
behind me. What is
Yeah.
it?
Look. Behind.
What is it?
A clue.
A clue?
Uh-huh.
What's it a clue of?
It's a frog. Behind you.
A frog?
Behind you.
It is a frog.
And the
Should
clue
I draw it in my
Should
notebook?
we be
Yeah.
concerned?
Yeah. And a lily pad.
On a lily pad. You made that. And Sissy made this one right here. Yeah, maybe-
Oh,
nope,
got
this
a
one's
notebook.
That one's Gwen's. That one's Alice.
Put it on your
Alright, in my
notebook.
notebook.
We just got to run.
Charlie's sneaking around, trying to get into things. Being a little sneaky sneaker.
He's trying to sneak up and sneak on the
Uh-huh. So what else did we do yesterday? We had watermelon rice.
That was your puppy.
We saw fireworks. You
Oh,
played guitar.
Charlie.
Did you dance?
Mom, Charlie came up here.
I know. He's been up here for a while.
Hey, you're Charlie. Charlie.
Yeah, today's an off day.
Did we blow bubbles?
We're gonna go fishing.
Mom, look.
Look at that.
Good boy.
He is a good boy, huh?
You tell him to sit.
Sit. Sit. Sit in.
Good boy.
Good boy. Good. He's not going.
Well, we didn't put any food down for him to go to. Yeah.
Oh, that was a good one.
We'll do a video of that somehow.
Oh,
Charlie.
The girl's teaching the
Hey,
dog.
Charlie. You want to give me a kiss? That's what give me a kiss.
Well, I'm sure he will give you so many kisses as
he's
soon as you're done
focused
eating
on the
your peanut
floor
butter.
right now.
He's trying to figure out if you dropped anything.
You want to kiss me? Mom, I made the letter.
Yeah, that's an R.
This one.
This? That is an X.
Mom, I make the O.
This is O.
Oh.
Your whole hand. There
Could you
go.
make a G?
I see you.
Can you make a G?
Oh,
That's X.
yeah, X.
G. There you go.
P.
Well, this is P. That's right. This is G. They're remembering. What letter is that?
I don't know.
N. N
Mom,
for Nancy.
Mom, this is a woodpecker.
That is a woodpecker.
Oh.
And a crow. All in one.
Mom, it's a crow.
It's a crow.
Okay, oh, look at that crow.
What, look at that crow. What did the goose say when we saw him?
I don't know. The dad one said that.
Yeah, he did.
Whoa, okay.
Yeah, we were like, okay.
We're backing off, Brad.
What was it? Why was the dad doing that? Do you remember?
And he was protecting his baby.
That's right.
He was saying, like that. He was saying, did you honk?
They do honk. That's right. That's right.
And it's a red car. But the mom, I'm pretending to be a mama.
Well, do you want to tell the camera anything else?
See ya.
See ya. See ya tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Whoa. Remember when they used to do that all the time?
You can say, goose mama.
Thanks for watching. We'll see everybody tomorrow.
He doesn't have his voice. No? Hey! Spider webs.